Hello there, puppers. Today I am so excited to share with you the collab that me and Beanie Boo Safari did. Beanie Boo Safari is such an amazing, talented boottuber, and I am just so honored to have gotten to do this collab with her. She is so amazing, and I really hope that you guys enjoy the collab of Things to Do on a Rainy Day featuring Beanie Boos. Enjoy the video!
Idea number 1 is shadow puppets.
Another super fun thing to do on a rainy day is to have a photo shoot with your Beanie Boos. Or any stuffed animals. You can do any kind of fun photo shoot. Here's an example of a Beanie Boo photo shoot.
Idea number 3 is tie-dye.
One of my personal favorite things to do on a rainy day is to write a short story. They're super fun to write, and me and my friend Cassidy are going to go show you. You're going to want to find a calm and serene place to do so, like maybe under the shade of a warm lamp. All right, Cassidy, what are you planning on writing today? I'm not sure. So now that we have our pens and paper, we are now going to write a little short story. Okay, I'm so excited to see whose short story turned out better. I'm gonna save the best for last, so Cassidy, you can go first. Okay, Gisela, so I wasn't able to write that much. So this is what I wrote. Once upon a time, in a town not too far away, lived a handsome dog, and he was a prince. A beautiful princess cat lived nearby. It seemed like the start of, and I was going to say, a beautiful romance story or a beautiful fairy tale story. I wasn't sure which one to say. That's really cute. I didn't know you were a hopeless romantic, Cassidy. Maybe I am. Mine, you can read it if you want. Oh, you want me to read it? Yeah, you read it. Okay. Now she says she's gonna do what to who? Let's find out and see. Gisela, you know where I'm at. You know where I be. You in the club just to party. You like it? Gisela, is this lyrics to like a rap song? Yeah, but like, aren't songs technically stories? And besides, I made it my own because I added my name. Pretty cool, huh? Just, yeah. Okay, moving on.
Number 5, build a fort.
Another really fun thing you can do on a rainy day is play a board game with a family member or friend. This is just friendly competition. Right, Kipper? Of course. Just friendly competition. Got your queen. You didn't have to take down the king, too. You only got my queen, after all. Still, that's a very valuable piece, and I'm definitely going to win now. Not necessarily. Check. Looks like I win. Wait. Ugh!
Number 7. Make a time capsule. Oh, I'm so bored, and it's raining outside. What should I do? You can make a time capsule. Safari, where did you come from? Oh, I am just filming a rainy day video, with Girl Makes Pup, and one of them is to do a time capsule. Yes, I should totally do that. Thank you for the idea, Beanie Boo Safari. You're totally welcome. Okay, I've got a ton of things to put in the time capsule. Now I just need to put it in a capsule. Okay, it's all set to go. Now we just need to bury it after it stops raining. Okay, so it stopped raining, which is great. So now we're going to dig a hole and bury this thing. Okay, it's all buried, so now we wait 30 years, and we dig it up. Gosh, what am I gonna do in the meantime?
Something that I really enjoy doing on a rainy day is painting rocks. And the first step to do that is to go pick out a rock. To be able to find rocks, you can find some rocks outside your yard before the rain starts. So then you don't have to go outside in the rain. You can collect the rocks beforehand. I'm gonna get which kind of rock do I want? I think I'm gonna get, oh, it's so heavy. For a little tiny deer like me. Okay, so this is our rock prep station. We have the rock on a towel, and if you're going to be rock painting, you want to always make sure that you have something underneath the rock so you don't get paint on furniture. These are the little pallets that we're going to be putting the paint into. All right, let's get into the rock painting. I'm gonna paint a rock too, because painting a rock is always a fun thing to do on a rainy day. Yeah, totally. Of course, you guys can paint rocks with me too. Green, I'm gonna squirt some of that paint in there. I'm gonna mix the colors a little bit. And a way to do this with your Beanie Boos, you can have your Beanie Boos sit by you, like Giselle and Kipper are doing, or if you're okay with your Beanie Boo getting a little messy, like me, then you can have your Beanie Boo paint a rock, like I am doing. I'm gonna go work on my rock, and I don't think I'm gonna get that messy with it either, like you are. All right, suit yourself. Okay, you guys, so I'm almost done with my rock. I'm gonna blend the colors in a bit more, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Do you? That's basically how you paint a rock. And I guess Kipper can show you his. Kipper, did you, let's see what you, oh my goodness. Oh, you were saying? I don't know what to say. I decided to paint Giselle. You're very beautiful, Giselle. Aw, thank you, Kipper. That's such a beautiful painting. You did such gentle strokes. Do you like mine? I worked hard on it. It's nice. It's nice scale. You need a bath. I know. Oh my goodness.
Number 9. Watch our videos. Couch. Phone.
Hello there, my name is Gisela, and today we are going to be looking at some Girl Meets Pups custom Beanie Boos.
Alright, I've watched all of their videos twice. Time to do something else.
Another super fun thing that you can do on a rainy day is listen to some music like this.
missed it.